Hey, I'm Alex from Cognigy. Some of our customers requested payment integrations for their conversational AI projects. Next to providers like PayPal and PayShield, I would like to present our Stripe extension to you in this video. Stripe is one of the biggest payment infrastructures for the internet, while companies like Booking.com, Statista, or Salesforce use it. For this video, I created an example invoice in my Stripe account. For this example customer in this case. So let us dive into Cognigy.AI. In my flow, I first start to check if we know the customer already based on an email address, then check if there are open invoices for this existing person, and then check if we have payment methods if the person would like to pay the invoice, and finally pay the invoice in Stripe. So let us give it a try using our interaction panel on the right side. First, we can start the conversation by greeting the virtual assistant. Now, in a project, we would start a two-factor authentication process, for instance, send a verification PIN via SMS, and then check if the customer is authenticated to talk to the virtual agent in this case. For this example, we just ask for the email address. So I could say now, my email is this one here. Now we use this email and check if we know the customer. Welcome, Alex Theos. How can I help you today? We found the person in the system. At the same time, we started to check if there are open invoices. In this case, yes. So for your information, there's an open invoice associated with your account, amount €3 for 3 cookies as items, such as displayed here in Stripe. Now, do you want to pay it now? Okay. Yes, sure. Perfect. Thanks for paying your invoice. How else may I help you? Now we successfully paid the invoice. We could now trigger another intent and continue the conversation with different topics. But for now, let us go to Stripe again, reload the page, and check if the invoice was paid. Perfect. We paid the invoice successfully in the system with the Stripe extension. The Stripe extension was uploaded using the extension section in this virtual agent. The Stripe extension can be found in the Help Center under support.cognigy.com, where we have a library where you can download it. Thank you very much. Bye.